Hey, what's up everyone? If you're looking to take your GoPro adventures to the next level without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the top GoPro sticks and tripods you can snag for under 50 bucks. First up, the Telesin 47.2 extendable selfie stick, coming in at around $24.99. This bad boy extends up to 47.2 inches, giving you that epic wide-angle shot you crave. Plus, it's sturdy enough to handle all your wild adventures. Next, for about $22.99, we have the A-Faith GoPro selfie stick with tripod. This combo stick is also waterproof, making it perfect for those beach days or rainy hikes. It's versatile and can handle just about any situation you throw at it. Now let's talk about the Smatry Q3 telescoping selfie stick with tripod stand, priced at $29.99. It's robust, extendable, and the tripod stand gives you that stability for flawless, steady shots. For those looking for something a bit more flexible, check out the PhotoPro UFO 2 flexible and extendable tripod. At approximately $29.99, its flexible legs allow you to mount your GoPro on uneven surfaces, making it ideal for adventurous settings like hikes or beach outings. At around $22.99, the UURig extendable selfie stick tripod is a multifunctional gem. Whether you're vlogging or capturing action shots, its versatility adapts to various shooting scenarios effortlessly. For water enthusiasts, the FitStill waterproof floating hand grip at just $14 is an essential accessory. It's waterproof and floats, ensuring your GoPro stays safe and steady during all your aquatic adventures. Last but not least, the Ulanzi M12 extendable selfie stick for GoPro, priced at about $18. This stick is extendable, has a phone mount, and comes with a GoPro adapter, making it perfect for a variety of uses, from vlogging to outdoor escapades. Alright folks, there you have it. These are some of the best budget-friendly GoPro sticks and tripods that'll enhance your adventures without draining your wallet. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments which one you're excited to try out. Catch you in the next video.